I always forget that I rule in my. I'm like, what?
Unboxing with Donica.
Unboxing little men.
Okay.
Mr. Men.
Which one do you think you're gonna get?
I hope it's Mr. Takely. He's always cool.
Oh yeah, that's
Oh, Little Miss Hug. Okay. That's nice. Oh my god, my Shayla.
little baby. Unboxing Sonny Angel. This is the Dreaming series. I'm so scared. Okay. I'm scared. Okay. I really don't want the panda. I can't even see them. The panda or the giraffe. I don't want those. Okay. The one I want is I want the sheep, the bunny, or the koala. Okay. Koala. Oh, this is how they open it like this. Oh, she knows. Let's pick it first. I have no idea what that is. Please. Oh, wait, it's actually not too bad. What is it? It's a bunny. Why is it green?
I think it's blue.
Why are they all like different colors? It's actually not too bad. Oh.
Why did you get this? You're not happy. They all look the same though. Like, what's the difference?
Yeah, we should just put it on your phone. Yeah, get your phone out.
Don't try actually.
No, I'm not gonna stick it though. Yeah, just.
Oh, it sticks.
Yeah, where's your phone?
It's in my pocket.
Take it out.
Well,
Take it out.
Sure
I
thing.
want to show you what it's gonna look like.
But you said it would stick.
No, it's not gonna stick. Look, there's a thingy on it. Okay, look. So you put it on here, and it goes like that, and like peeks over your phone. Yeah, that's cute.
What if I'm like holding my phone like this or something, and then it's gonna get in the way?
Yeah, well, that's your problem.
You just gotta love them so much.
Shutting off.
Cancel them.
Okay, guys,
Me and Maeve here, and we are
gonna watch
watching
Sinners. We're gonna watch Sinners, the movie.
the movie, and this is our before reaction. We don't know.
All we know is it's about vampires and there's twins and what did Alice say? Michael B. Jordan.
Yeah, it's really good, and it's double trouble. Double trouble. Yeah, so we're going in now. This is our snacks.
You're our movie.
And deodorant.
Oh, deodorant. Our movie in like 15 minutes.
Yeah, so we can do that. Should we vlog it? Yeah. Okay. I was walking, and I think I got in the way of some guy, and he walks past me. He like shows past me and hisses at me. So scared. So we just kept looking at each other, but we couldn't laugh because I didn't want to come back. No, but he was like doing like circles. He was doing laps. Yeah. Okay, guys, we just finished Sinners, and it was so good, guys. It was so good.
That was the best movie I watched.
Like, it was actually life-changing. Like, it was a little scary, but not really.
Yeah, it was like scary, but like
Because it was just like,
just a bit gory.
it wasn't that gory, because it was so dark in the movie that like you couldn't really see it.
And the vampires. We were eating so much.
Juki. I was about to spoil it. I won't spoil it. But everyone, go watch it because it's like so good.
It's really.
Why does this keep on? It's not like. Guys, okay. So today we're gonna be painting. And I have this.
Gabby has her cutie little.
Oh wait, why am I showing this? This is yours.
Oh, I have my sketchbook and my other sketchbook that I'm actually going to be painting on. This is just for like ideas. My art pencil case, oil pastels, paints, and oh, wait for this, guys.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
This is the progress.
Oh, I did not know those were the last. This is mine so far. This is the inspo pic.
Guys, we're gonna be trying this, and it's basically like a veggie like meat thingy. I don't know, but this is it, and also this is what we have. And it's this part. Like, you see those 2 red lines. Oh, it's actually good.
How spicy?
It's spicy.
It tastes like real meat. It's apparently it's vegetarian meat. A summer bucket list. You wanna write this bucket list?
That looks like telekinesis. Here's my chocolate that's melting. Those are my favorite. These are amazing. We have googly eyes. We have some craft stuff. We have bedazzles. We have more bedazzles. We have some. I don't even think I'm showing it. Oh, I don't think I was showing anything. We have some bows. Oh, you can't see that yet. We have glue, some paper to decorate, and some glue and glitter. Glitter.
Get out.
That's not my good outfit. I think I'm doing it with the wrong hand though. I think it's supposed to be this hand so that it like, if I do a C, that's not right to the person looking at it.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So I think so I've done it with this hand, my right hand. And A, B, C, D, E, F. I don't know, like, it's like, how do you know what that is? Like, I can see it, I can recognize it. It's not what I meant, that's the opposite of what I know what you're talking about. Yeah, I know, so don't talk. That was really good. And then, right yellow, oh, we have a gold one. Like, you can make that. Yeah, I can dazzle it. Oh, it's so family friendly. Yo! Bite my words. Yeah. Oh, see, because the bubbles are just deflating. Like, it's literally like, we couldn't find normal chocolate at Super Value. Like, we found every other variation chocolate. It's like, that's nice. Are you chocolate? I'll powder it. Make my phone. Let me make it. Yeah, blah, 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 blah.
So this is it so far. Can't see it. The first one?
No, we should do a marker.
Well, I'm writing it in pencil first.
No. Just go for it. YOLO.
Also, no, because I want to show them. I recorded. Guys, there's some sort of freaking rave going on next to us. Oh, I don't want to film the people next to us. Can you see it? Like there. And they're so loud. And when we got off the dart, because the thingies there, we were just looking down at them, and I was like, girl, what is going on? There's like 8 million of them, and I think they're at the bathroom. I don't know if there's bathrooms in Colombia, but like they're just hanging out with that thing. Anyway, guys, look at our chocolate.
It's actually starting to get hot.
Guys, let's try the chocolate and then get in the water.
Yeah.
Yummy, brother.
Cheers. But they're really cool. Oh, it's like
Yum scrambled yum cheese. I don't like the bubbles. I don't like that chocolate.
I saved my hair.
Oh.
Oh, sorry, can I double check?
Yeah. The anticlimactic reaction. Yummy!
Oh!
Stop ringing, make me ring. I always forget that I drool in my sleep. Ah, that's what? Let's do this guy. Bro.
Oh,
Look at. Stop. What's wrong with you? That's what happens when you get too greedy. This guy's yes or no. Let's ask the audience.
vote here. Go comment down below.
Oh my god. Yeah, lick that chocolate off your fingers, man.
Because if we leave.
Spinning like a ballerina. Feeling gangsta every time I see you.
That's what I said.
I wasn't looking.
Yeah, but guess.
Fatties. Close.
Strawberries. Ew. Ain't no way I'm eating that crap, bruh.
Ew!
I'll eat the bottom
I thought
part.
that was covered in chocolate.
I'll eat the bottom part.
Ain't no way I'm eating that crap.
You were so close to biting into that. Let's show the camera what it looks like.
Yummy. Or disgusting. I'm eating the last one, guys. Sorry.
It's just me. She's not sorry, guys.
How am I gonna pick it up?
Pick it up with your fingers.
I don't want to get it on the chocolate. I literally said that and dipped my whole thumb in the chocolate. Oh yeah, let's tell them about how no one wants to hang out with us because we're dumb and ugly and freaky and no one likes us.
I think I just say to leave.
Good, you need some green.
Oh, wait, that's so satisfying.
Sweet, that made me sick to look at.
I just peeled chocolate off.
That's what. Sorry, I was gonna say something so mean.
Once I get out into the ocean, it'll clear it all off.
You're foul. Should we go
Okay,
in?
can I just
Yeah.
try this with chocolate?
Taste test. Yummy. So we bought these. Louis has one too. And we're gonna put some bedazzles on them. Not too many because they'll probably fall off when we put them in the water. But because they're meeting up at 8 in Sea Point, and we're gonna take the dart anyway. So we're gonna take the dart to Sea Point, get off, shoot them. Pew pew.
Yeah.
Shoot. Oh my god, that was so gross. Okay, guys. So, ew, I hated that. But it's okay because I hate you. And I shoot them and then leave because it'll be late. Because, sorry, 8 o'clock is bedtime. 8 o'clock bedtime. They were out till like 2 a.m. last night. Not good. Not good for your sleep schedule. Zooey and I tucked up in bed. So, don't wipe it on me, please. This is our thing so far.
Maeve's taking over the channel right now.
Yeah, cause she's eating.
Okay, let's fold this up.
That looks so ill. Yeah, I know, fold it up. She looks ill.
Put a rock on it for safety.
That is literally so foul. No, we're gonna come back and it's gonna melt all over my things.
Okay, then put it on the rocks. Oh yeah. Oh no, I can actually. Oh, really?
Yeah.
You can't.
I can.
Okay, actually wait, yeah, we
I
can.
though.
Feet in the air. I can't. Oh no, like that's what.
you might
Owen said.
remember
Guys, it smells like the beach. There's actual sand
We
here.
don't know where. Oh shit, it's there.
Yeah.
We just went like all the way down because we didn't know how to get to the beach. We've never been down this before.
Yeah.
And it turns out it was like the opposite direction we were walking.
We like did like a full
How
360.
shiny my forehead is.
I know. Oh wait, yeah.
I was waiting for my bus the other day and I was like, honestly, do you think my head is like, because my head gets so shiny in the summer. Do you think if like cars are passing by, like
Guys, we don't know how to act because like it's so sandy and it's so hot. Like I actually feel like I'm in a tropical country. Yeah.
Rachel's pooping, guys. Look at the shit stains. Look at the shit stains. Look. Ooh, tomatoes. Oh.
First dip of the summer. Strawberry. We literally did this. No, for her.
Oh my god, like
Wait, why does it feel like so much thinner? Good? Is it good, baby?
Hey guys, okay, what are we doing? Oh wait, turn that down so we don't get copyrighted. Ooh, some strawberries. Ella's putting on sun cream because she's good. No, she's being good to her skin. We have the chocolate. She has a good excuse. It's okay. All right, are we ready? Ooh, ding. Oh, Ella, I feel bad.
Whoa, this is a good one.
Nice. Oh, sorry, I'm not even filming. Stop! Zooey! She did this the last time.
It's okay. She just wanted as much chocolate as she could get.
No, literally. We can double dip, it's okay. We'll just have little corners to ourselves. Zooey,
I can't pick it up.
yes, what are you doing right now then?
Drop it, like turn it.
Zooey, just dig your fingers into it. Are you kidding? If you, I was gonna.
That was really good.
Really nice. Rate it.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Anyway.